Hey everybody, it's your girl. Welcome to Angie B Style. So today I'm going to show you how to take 12 by 12 sheets of, mm, this is scrapbook paper. So you can use 12 by 12 in any kind of paper that you like. But this is scrap paper, and it actually is a two-sided scrapbook paper. I said scrap paper, right? Scrapbook paper. And what I'm going to do is score it at 3 1/4. I'm going to make pockets, and then I'm going to glue them all together. So just watch what I do here. It's just a little craft with me project. And I'm going to leave most of the information in the description below. But this was, well, let me tell you about this paper real quick. It was 12 by 12, but you know how sometimes it has an extra piece at the top and sometimes it has a perforated edges and you can take it off. Well, this one didn't have the perforated edges. I could have cut it off. But so this is actually a little bigger than 12 by 12 because you see that's a 12 by 12 board. And if you see when I put the paper on there, it goes over just a little bit. I just left mine on, okay? And if you have any type of dimensional paper like the not am I saying that right? Dimensional paper to go in a certain direction. Yeah, dimensional. Paper that goes in a certain direction, make sure that you have it right when you're making your folders and that it's going the right way. All right. So you see how I'm doing it here, and we're going to fold it again, and then I'm going to put it all together. So go ahead and watch this video. This is just a craft with me video, and I'll see you back here later on, later down the line, so we can embellish it and just create what you want to create with it. You can use it for monthly, like a monthly notebook where you put your bills in or receipts, not bills. We don't want to talk about bills, okay? Your receipts in that you purchase stuff every month. Or you could put ephemera in there, any type of clip arts or paper products that you have that you make, any type of embellishments, you can use it and put it into the pockets. Now, real quick before I get off here, just let you, because I don't want to talk all day. I don't want to do that. Um, I just launched, if you don't know, you're going to know. I just launched my podcast. It's called the Angie B Podcast. And I'm really excited about it because right now I'm doing like this little series, the first part of the podcast. I'm doing this little series about, it actually is based on my new book, Built Under Pressure. So if you get a chance, I do have it in my features. Go over and check me out. And if you like the information and you want to be a part of it, go ahead and subscribe over there. It actually has Business Minded with Angie B on the title, but eventually I'm going to change that to the Angie B podcast, but you can see under there that it does say that. So I'll put all that in the description as well. But all right, have a good time crafting with me, and I'll see you back here next time. This is the one that I'm going to use for my cover. I just thought I would just stop right here and let you know that that's going to be my cover. So you just have to choose the one that you would want as your cover. And then right here, I'm going to set it up. And like I said, this was a little bigger than 12 by 12, but it's okay. And you see how I'm gluing it here? You glue it on the edge, in the middle, and on the sides, each edge and in the middle. And make sure you don't put a lot of glue on there, but make sure that it actually stays where so it won't open on the side. Because a few of those I had to glue back because I didn't put it all the way. I guess I didn't put enough glue on it. But yeah, so these are really great notebooks, and again, enjoy. And like I said, I don't want to stay on here and talk, and we will be back to embellish those and put them together, and I'll show you another way to do some things with those as well. But anyway, thank you and happy crafting as you finish watching the process.